How do we continue to make high-level cleaning safer, quicker, and more economical for customers? With over 50 years combined experience, SpinnerClean continues to help organizations and individuals make complex high-level cleaning simple and cost-effective. Introducing SkyVac, the most powerful, energy-efficient, and portable gutter cleaning product on the market. Specifically designed to make high-level cleaning safe for both commercial and domestic properties. Our bespoke range of high cleaning systems have been developed especially for outdoor, robust work, replacing the need for expensive access equipment and rig time. With one operative, SkyVac supports a 40-foot reach from ground level. This lightweight system removes the health and safety risks associated with working at height, including major injuries and fatalities. Weighing only 186 grams per metre, our unique systems are made from the lightest carbon fibre poles. We have engineered products with only one slide glide entry, ensuring smooth, blockage-free results every time. The unique suction and power mix operating method is 50% more powerful than competitors. SkyVac's massive 150-inch water lift makes it the world's most powerful freestanding gutter cleaning machine. For extra security and job confidence, have eyes in the sky with SkyCam's recordable camera. Clear footage shows accomplished results firsthand, allowing for pinpoint accuracy for use outdoors and other harsh environments. SkyVac has evolved into a high-reach internal system, supported by additional features and fittings. These easy-to-maintain systems have a unique airflow for rapid dust extraction, cleaning safely and quickly from ground level up to 12 meters. For cleaning solutions across the commercial sector, SpinnerClean have now developed the SkyVac ATEX high-level cleaning system. Manufactured from the world's most advanced materials, the powerful but lightweight system is suitable for the removal of combustible dusts. With support, quality and safety at the heart of everything we do, how will SkyVac help you reach new heights? For further information on our SkyVac product range or to arrange a free demonstration, contact us today on 01604 968 700 or visit spinnerclean.com.